In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace an image in Canva. If you've ever tried updating a template and ended up messing up the size, crop, or position of the original image, you're definitely not alone. A lot of people make the mistake of deleting the old image and inserting a new one manually, which usually means extra time spent resizing and lining everything back up. The good news is that Canva makes this much easier when you use the built-in image replacement method correctly. To get started, open Canva and go to the project where you want to swap the image. From your homepage, look through your recent designs and open the presentation, flyer, social post, or document you want to edit. Once the design loads, click into the canvas area so you can clearly see the image you plan to replace and the surrounding layout. Next, head over to the left sidebar and open your media options. Click Uploads if you already have the new image saved in Canva, or use Elements and then Photos if you want to choose from Canva's library. The goal here is to locate the new image you want to use before placing it into the design. Now for the most important part, instead of clicking the new image once, which would place it as a separate layer somewhere on the page, click and hold the image thumbnail. Then drag it directly over the existing image you want to replace. As you hover over the old image frame or container, Canva will recognize that you want to swap the image instead of adding a new one. You'll see it snap into place inside the existing shape or frame. Once that happens, release your mouse and the replacement is done. After the new image is in place, you may want to adjust how it sits inside the frame. To do that, double-click the replaced image. This opens the crop and positioning view where you can see more of the full image. From here, drag the image to reposition it or use the corner handles to scale it so the subject is framed properly. When it looks right, click outside the frame to save that adjustment. Before finishing, take a quick second to check alignment on your design. Move your cursor around the layout and watch for Canva's guidelines to help confirm that everything still looks balanced and clean. If any Saoshi side panels are open, close them so you can review the final design clearly. When you're happy with the result, go to the top right corner, click Share, and then choose Download. Select PNG if you want a high-quality digital image, or choose PDF Print if the design is meant for printing. Then click Download to export your finished file. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.